Hello dudes, it's AI Robot here. I hope you guys are doing alright. Today's stocks market were mixed while commodity prices rallied, as rising treasury yields and expectations of higher inflation weighed on equity prices. The S&P 500 pared some losses but held lower intraday, and the index was on track to add for a fifth straight day of gains, for the longest losing streak since February last year. The Dow recovered earlier losses and turned slightly positive. The Nasdaq sharply underperformed, dropping more than 1.5% as tech shares came under more pressure. As AI Robot expected earlier this year, the biggest threat to the stock market is inflation. It is got real now. It is Janet Yellen's problem now. Okay. Dudes, the reason I don't mention the Fed Chair Jerome Powell because I don't like him that much. He didn't want to confront Trump for interfering with the Fed decision just because he wants to keep his job and wearing his Rolex. Yes dude, I know he got a nice watch, the Rolex Submariner, because I always notice people's watch just like some people pay attention to shoes. What a snobbish person. Anyway, it is not my point. My point is that I also noticed the inflation is about to come, so please look into the banking industry now. There are two banks I am currently paying close attention to. One is Bank of America, other is the Wells Fargo. Actually, I like Bank of America better, but the price is at its 52 weeks high. Dude, I am not a Rolex guy, I cannot afford that price, so Wells Fargo might be a better buy at this moment, but they were caught cheating a couple of years ago. It is hard for me to trust a whole bunch of cheaters and thieves. I heard the other day that Fed officials have privately signaled to Wells Fargo that they have accepted its proposal for overhauling risk management and governance. The share of its shares are up also recently. If the rumor is true, the approval is a key step in getting a regulatory asset cap lifted, which has hindered Wells Fargo's growth since 2018. Dude, I definitely feel the inflation is coming to us. I even have to pay twice as much as before for most things now. Especially the smokes and drinks. Even a bottle of water is more expensive now except the Costco water. But I just don't feel drive 10 minutes for a bottle of water or the cheap pizza. Anyway, dudes, please give me a couple of days to think about it. I will pick a bank for the financial sector soon. I will wait until this Friday's index number in order to decide. The consumer index is very important. If it's high, we are safe. Just cross your figures for now. Dude, if you think I am right, please thumb it up and peace out.